If you want to go ahead and add in watermark to your images, you can actually easily do that using ILoveIMG.com. So to go ahead and do that, you can go around over here onto Watermark Image, and then you can go ahead and select out the image or images that you want to add in the watermark to right here. So once you do that, you can go ahead and add in a text. Let's say, for example, I added in text, and now I can go ahead and type in TutorTube right here. And I can go ahead and place it wherever I want. I can select this out right here, and I can go ahead and add in, let's say, for example, a background color right here as I want. So I can go around over here and select out a color right here. Or I can go ahead and select out a color right here just like this. I can change around the alignment. I can change around the opacity right here. And I can basically work around with the font and so forth as I want. Apart from that, I can even go ahead and add an image. For example, I have this image right here of the logo. So I can just go ahead and click, and there you go. I can go ahead and add in the logo right here just like this. And once you go ahead and determine out the places right here, this is what you have. So you can see that this is the logo. You can go ahead and click and drag this out right here. And then you can see that wherever you drag out, you can see that it affects the other image right here just like this as well. So if I were to go ahead and drag it onto the top, onto the left right here, then it goes ahead and applies it out the same right here. So now as you click on watermark images, it goes ahead and then watermarks them out, and then you can go ahead and download it out right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around over here onto my tutorials right here and click on save. And then if you were to go ahead and open this up, you can see the watermarked out images right here just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and watermark images inside of ILoveIMG. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.